Hello, children. Very good morning. Welcome to EVS class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Okay. So, children, welcome back to CLE Society KK CBSE School, Chikkodi. So, children, in the yesterday's class, we learned and we studied about unhealthy food, and we written in 4-line notebook. In EVS notebook, we had written unhealthy food. So unhealthy food means what? Junk food. Is it? Yes. So which are the junk food? Juice, soft drink. Juice means soft drink. Soft drink. Then pizza, donut, hot dog, French fries, pizza. These are what? Junk food. So junk food, we have to avoid it. Is it? Yes, okay. So, in the today's class, we are going to learn about vehicles. Vehicles means what? Vahanagalu. In Kannada, we call Vahanagalu. Vehicles means what? Vahanagalu. So, you knows vehicles. Vahanagalu. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವಾಹನಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Yes. So, can you tell me vehicles? How, which you knows that vehicles you had to say it. Car, van, ambulance, scooter, cycle, train, aeroplane, boat, tractor. So different kinds of vehicles we know. Is it? Yes. So in the today's class also we learn it. Okay, about vehicles. So which are the vehicles? We'll see it in today's class. Understood? In today's class we learn about water transport, air transport, land or road transport, rail transport, some more vehicles, public transport, private transport vehicles we'll see in today's class. Okay, let's first we'll see vehicles. Only vehicles we'll see. Okay, car, van, ambulance, scooter, motorbike, bicycle, tricycle, jeep, truck, bus, tramway, rickshaw, ship, train, helicopter, aeroplane, tractor, boat, horse cart, fire engine. So these are what? Vehicles. Okay, car, van, ambulance, scooter, motorbike, bicycle, tricycle, jeep, truck, bus, tramway, rickshaw, ship, train, helicopter, aeroplane, tractor, boat, horse cart and fire engine. So these are what? Vehicles. Is it? Yes. Next we'll see transportation. So which are the transportation vehicles? Let's see. Truck, school bus, ambulance, bicycle, bicycle, bus, bus, taxi, taxi, police car, police car, mixer, mixer, aero, helicopter, helicopter, micro, micro, parachute, parachute, zeppelin, zeppelin, motorcycle, motorcycle, lorry, lorry, ship, ship, van, van. So these are transportation. So transportation means ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸಾಗುವ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸುವ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಸಿ ಎಟ್, ಬೋಟ್, ಶಿಪ್, pirate ship, submarine, cargo ship. So these are water transport. These are water transport. So water transport ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸುವ ವಾಹನಗಳೇ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. Okay, next we'll see air transport. Okay, so these are the air transport. So which are the air transport? ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕಾಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಏರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಏರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್? ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್, hot air balloon, helicopter, airship, fighter jet, rocket. So these are air transport. Okay, aeroplane, hot air balloon, helicopter, airship, fighter jet and rocket. So these are air transport. Okay, ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲಿಸುವ ವಾಹನಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಏರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ರೋಡ್. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ, ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಲಿಸುವ ವಾಹನಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು? ಕಾರ್, ಟ್ರಕ್, van, motorcycle, bicycle, bus. So these are land or road transport. Okay, ರೋಡಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಲಿಸುವ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಚಲಾಯಿಸುವ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ rail transport. So rail transport means what? Yes, very good. Rail transport means train, track ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗೋ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ rail transport. Okay, rail transport means which other rail transport? See, train, subway train, fast train, tram. So these are rail transport. Okay. So which are the rail transport? Once again. Train. Yes, very good. So everyone has to say loudly. Train. Submarine train. Subway train. Fast train. Fast train. Tram. Tram. Yes. So these are rail transport. Okay. So these vehicles we call rail transport. Okay. Yes. Now we'll see some more vehicles. Okay. Which are the some more vehicles? Rocket, bullet train, cable car, space turtle, and submarine. Yes. So these vehicle we will see in the where we will see in the sea. We will see this. Is it? Yes. So this vehicle we will see in the sea. Inside the sea we will see this. Okay. Yes. So which are the more vehicles? Rocket, bullet train, space shot, cable car, and submarine. So these are some more vehicles. Okay. Next vehicle, public transport. So these are the public transport. Okay. Yes. So we will see in this public. Okay. So which are the public transport? Yes. Public transport means peoples will travel that transport we call public transport. Okay. ಜನಗಳು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ ಖಾಸಗಿ ವಾಹನಗಳಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. So which are the public transport? Auto rickshaw, ferry, cab, bus, cable car, train, and aeroplane. So these are what? Public transport. So these vehicles we will use. Rickshaw also we will use it. Is it? Yes. Bus, ferry means like it is boat, like a ship it is. Cab means like a car. Cable car, train, and aeroplane. So these vehicles we will travel. Okay. From one place to another place we have to go means we have to use these vehicles. So these vehicles we call public transport. Okay. So next vehicle is private transport. So these private means so ourself. Okay. ನಾವೇ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಉಪಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವಾಹನಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸ್ವಂತ ವಾಹನಗಳಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್? ಕಾರ್, motor bike, bicycle, scooter. So these are what? Private transport. Okay. So these are what? Private transport. Understood? Yes. So children, this all you have to know. So first what we learn? Vehicles. About vehicles first learned. Okay, next what we learn? Transportation. Oh, yes. Okay, next we learned water transport vehicles. Is it? Yes. Okay, next we learned air transport. Okay. Next we learn land or road transport. Is it? Yes. Okay, next we learn a rail transport. Is it? Yes. Okay, next we learn some more vehicles. Which are the some more vehicles we learned it? Okay, next public transport. So we knows now which are the vehicles we call public transport. Okay? Yes. Private transport. So which are the private transport we know now? Is it? Yes. Now we learned in about private transport, public transport, some more vehicles, rail transport, land or road transport, air transport, water transport, and transportation and vehicles. Is it? So these all we learned it. So children, this all you have to read it. Okay? So only you have to know vehicles. So in the vehicles, which are the parts will come? Private transport, public transport, air transport, land transport, rail transport, water transport. So these all you have to know it. Okay? Yes. So about vehicles, you have to know it. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Have a good day.